Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. This wand readily extends from 40 to 70 inches, making it easier to clear those hard-to-reach rain gutters. The zinc sweeper nozzle spins 180 degrees, allowing you to control the spray in the desired direction. Angle the spray head up or down to achieve the ideal water flow direction for your cleaning activity. Its lightweight, non-corrosive design ensures that it will last season after season. The padded foam grip improves comfort and protects your hands from cold water. This wand expands from 40 to 70 inches, allowing you to easily reach your gutters. Take a look at the gutter cleaning spoon and scoop. This plastic gadget attaches on the end of an extension pole or broomstick and allows the user to drag debris to a single spot for removal. One of the simplest gutter cleaning instruments to set up and operate is the gutter cleaning spoon and scoop. It's lightweight but tough, making it easy to manipulate while remaining tough. I thought the spoon did a wonderful job of dragging the material to where my ladder was. I found it simple to flip the tool over to utilize the scoop and push it under the bracket whenever I reached one. The only drawbacks I discovered were that it did not come with an extension pole and did not actually clear the debris. Stuff gathers stuff in one location, so I had to remove it myself. For details, let's watch more. Our second best gutter cleaning tool is Thanchu Gutter Cleaning Brush. Gutter Cleaning Brush cleans your gutters quickly and easily, saving you money on hiring contractors' rain gutter cleaner tool. Cleaning your gutters on a regular basis with our telescopic gutter cleaner removes leaves and debris, allowing water to flow freely to downspouts. Upgraded brush design, it can be bent to fit a hard-to-reach location, easy to clean gutters anywhere, and keeps gutters flowing. The brush may be bent to your chosen angle to reach hard-to-reach areas and simply clean away dead spots in the gutter cleaning tools. Upgraded brush design, it can be bent to fit hard-to-reach spots, easy to clean gutters everywhere, and keeps gutters flowing. The brush may be bent to your chosen angle to reach hard-to-reach areas and simply clean away dead spots in the gutter cleaning tools. Thanchu Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand is possibly the most basic technique to gutter cleaning, utilizing only a garden hose. This wand features a telescoping part that stretches from 40 to 70 inches, allowing users to reach lower gutters from the ground, such as those on ranch or Cape-style homes. It also has a built-in nozzle and an adjustable arm that the user may adjust to the desired angle. Cleaning the gutters on my Cape Cod house was as simple as extending the pole and connecting a garden hose. The head and nozzle were both simple to adjust, and the shutoff valve did a decent job of managing the pressure. My only reservations were that it would be ineffective for higher gutters and that its performance would be dependent on the water pressure in the residence. Third pick in our list is Poople Gutter Cleaners. Poople gutter poles range in length from 5 ft to 7 ft and can be connected in 3 different ways. When the 4 poles and gutter wand are linked together, it can extend up to 7 ft, which, along with your height, makes it simple and high enough to reach the first floor. The Poople Garden Hose Gutter Cleaning Tool includes a 21-inch flexible and bendable gutter wand. By spinning the nozzle of the ditch cleaning stick, you may change the water flow from weak to vigorous. There are 4 different options that can be changed to meet various cleaning requirements. The removable pole is composed of superior aluminum, which is lightweight and long-lasting. The length of each individual pole after disassembly is around 16.5 inches, which takes up no room. It is simple to store and transport in the trunk. The on/off water switch is also used to connect the garden hose. It is designed to suit most ordinary garden hoses with 3/4 of an inch connectors. The hose can be connected in 2 ways using separate connectors. The gutter getter scoop is simple and straightforward to operate. It can hold a lot of rubbish at once, and I discovered that pressing the scoop's edges together helped reduce pouring when removing it from the gutter. I loved how the tip fits to the gutter while yet being strong enough to chisel away some of the accumulation. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Natasha Roof Gutter Cleaning Tool. Premium material with great toughness, resistance to deformation, good wear resistance, and durability. Most extendable rods can be linked to the interface's 3/4 inch standard universal thread design. Save cleaning time and energy by effectively expanding your cleaning area while eliminating ladder movement. With an ergonomic gutter cleaning tool, you can effortlessly pull the leaves in your direction while going around the poles on your gutters. The hook can also be used to hang your pole from your ladder as you ascend. Specially designed hook for removing trash from gutters and cleaning beneath skylights and other roof structures. You may clean more sections of your gutters while moving your ladder less. This set includes two 18-inch extension wands, a hooked gutter nozzle and a blower nozzle for concentrating the blower volume of your shop vac. It is compatible with most shop vac extensions and will fit a wet/dry vac with a 2.5-inch outlet, allowing it to reach a little higher than the kit alone. This Craftsman kit was one of my favorite surprises during testing. I connected it to the exhaust of a 5.5 horsepower wet/dry vac and discovered that it was quite successful at blowing leaves and debris out of the gutter, especially with the restricted nozzle included in the package. It was a little clumsy to operate, and it probably wouldn't work on a ladder, at least not with a powerful hoover, but it was quite simple to set up. It also appeared to be capable of other tasks, such as vacuuming in vents or other nooks where a regular vacuum cannot reach. Number 5 in our top 5 best gutter cleaning tool list is Ridge Washer Gutter Cleaner. The pressure washer gutter cleaner attachment is made up of an angled extension wand and 5 spray nozzles. The power washer angled extension wand is made of solid brass and stainless steel. The 1/4 inch male gutter wand plug quickly connects to a pressure washer spray gun or telescopic wand. Gutter cleaning tool comes with 5 high-quality nozzle tips for various spray angles. Depending on your requirements, select a different nozzle. Ideal for cleaning gutters from the ground safety. You can clean beneath a vehicle without having to crawl. Excellent for cleaning car engines from all sides, not just the top. Ideal for cleaning gutters from the ground safety. You can clean beneath a vehicle without having to crawl. Excellent for cleaning car engines from all sides, not just the top. The Ridge Gutter Cleaning Pressure Washer Wand set includes everything you need to get squeaky clean gutters. This set includes various extension rods and tips, each with leak-proof O-rings. This kit is designed to fit 14-inch quick connect pressure washers and is rated at 4,000 pounds per square inch. In this test, the Ridge Gutter Cleaning Pressure Washer Wands kit proved to be the most effective gutter cleaning equipment. It came with numerous wands and 4 nozzles, and it easily attached to my pressure washer. It was simple to manipulate into the gutter and wielded considerable force. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.